All right, I'm going to try to draw this, and then we'll go from there. Right off the bat, this is the easiest one on the worksheet. What does that 5 represent? Radius, okay? So I've written the first step down for you because for the ones that come after this, you actually have to find it. It doesn't just give it to you. Like, for example, number 6. We'll talk about that in a second. So you need to make sure you know what the radius is. Sometimes you have to find it. The next thing we're going to do is plug it into the formula, which we just wrote out. I'll write it out again. Okay? So when we plug that in, it'll be a equals pi. And notice I'm replacing r with 5, and I'm putting in parentheses. Let's read the directions. It says, round your answer to the nearest tenth, okay? So for these first 15 problems, it's just going to be a decimal we're going to plug into the calculator. Okay, here's the pi button. Then I'm going to put parentheses. I'm going to put in my 5. And then I'm going to use the arrow to get out of the parentheses. And then it has a square button on it. It's that simple, okay? I'm going to round that to 78.5 to the nearest tenth. I'm going to use my little...
Do you care if you just plug that in the calculator and write just the answer?
That's exactly what I just did. Okay? Any questions on that? I always like to go back and explain.
Can we do one more?
Yeah, that's fine. What is this question asking in terms of the picture?
To find out the rest
Not the
of
circumference.
the rest of the circle.
The area.
Okay, yeah, it's the shaded region.
Well, nothing was shaded.
Just make sure you know what you're finding. It helps a lot as far as understanding.
Hey, was I right when I said the rest of the area?